Hello guys, welcome back. What we're going to learn today is how to use the if function with the exact function. But we're going to take a little help from the proper function. Let's see what that looks like. What I have here is a list name of students and their scores. But ever so often I have to go through the lists because my teachers often forget, like here, to capitalize the D in Daniel's name, and here, the C in Collins. There's a function that actually fixes that problem. It's called the proper function. Let's see what Excel has to say about it. The proper function converts a text string to proper case. The first letter in each word to uppercase, and all the other letters will be lowercase. So this is the function I use. It has for one argument. What is the text? We close the parentheses, and it gives the proper instance of the person's name. You can double click here, and I get to see what it should be looking like. Now here's the note for the teachers. They either get to proceed to the next stage or they have to correct the name. We're going to use the function and the exact function to do this. Let's build it together. Equals if. Remember in earlier videos, we talked about using another function as our logical test. That's what we're going to do with the exact function. Let's first read what it does. It checks whether two text strings are exactly the same and returns true or false. Exact is case sensitive. So it's perfect for scenarios such as this, where I know what it should look like versus what the teacher would have sent me. Does that make sense? I hope it does. So we're going to test this against this. We're testing to see if it's the exact same. That is our logical test. And if that is true, if they're both the same, then we're going to tell the teachers they can proceed. If it's not, however, we're going to tell them to correct the names. Sorry about that. All right. We're going to lock that in. As you can see in the instances here, automatically they can see where they can proceed, and I let them know they need to correct the name. All right. It's becoming a habit. So at this point, I'm going to do with all these names, I'm going to select them, and I'm actually going to paste these, copy and paste these as values. So we're going to copy, and if you're using Office 365, you can use the shortcut Control Shift and V, and those are now pasted as values. See, the function is gone. So I'm going to delete this column and let the teachers know here are your notes. You can proceed with these students, these ones. I'm going to need you to correct the name. All right. So that is how you can use the if function with the exact function and even get help from the proper function. And there are other text functions. The same way there's proper, there's also lower, and you can look through Excel's list of text. Let's go to formulas. Here we are. If you ever want to look and see all the different categories of functions, you go to your formulas tab and you can get financial, logical, and you will see next to that text functions. And so you can see here all the functions that are associated with text. All right. So that's just a tip for you. Here's the upper one right here. Here's trim, really cool. You've got proper. We used that just now. We've got replace, got mid, we got lower, left. There's so many cool functions in here. All right. But that's how you can use if with exact and with a little bit of help from proper. I'll see you guys in the next one.